Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add HTML code to Wix website. The first thing you need to do, once on your Wix website dashboard, you are going to select Edit Site in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to be redirected to this page, and from here you are going to tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says Add Elements. And after tapping on the plus, what I want you to do is hover over embedded code. Once you have hovered over embedded code, you will see the option right where you see popular embeds. Then you'll simply select the one right here that says embedded HTML, and you can simply tap on the plus to add it to site. And as you can see right here, you can drag it into any position you want. And then you are going to tap on enter code at the top. And after tapping on enter code, you can paste your code right here, or you could paste the web address. Then you'll tap on apply, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.